Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. This is a really short video. I got a P.O. box! Woo! Yes, I have a P.O. box. All the information is linked down below. Every single video now will have the information. So if you guys want to send Christmas cards, and if I maybe want to do something with the G word, if you know, you know. Yeah. That could be happening. You just never know. And you know what? If it does happen, it'll be inside a video. It'll be a hidden one. So you have to watch my videos. But I'm so excited. I've had lots of you guys ask me if you could send cards or if you could just send like you made something for me, which is so sweet. Thank you so much. I never expect anything, but it does make it fun. And if you guys write me a Christmas card, I will try really hard to write you back. So remember to join the Facebook group, the private Facebook group. It's really fun, and I release exclusive things just for those people. So you might want to join. It's free. And all you have to do is say why you like yarn and what do I say at the end of every video. Every video. I'm going to say it here too. Yeah. So that's all you have to do. Thank you so much for joining me today. I just wanted to tell you guys that yes, I officially have a P.O. box, and I have some really exciting news about it very soon. I'm so excited. It's one of the reasons that I got a P.O. box. I can't tell you guys anything, but I want to. Anyway, have a really, really great day, and if you guys want to send me a card, information's down below. It will be in every single video from now on. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Goodbye.